In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and submit an expense in the Expenses app. To get started, open the Expenses app from your system dashboard. Once you're inside, go to My Expenses. This is where you can view your existing expense entries and create new ones. To add a new expense, click New. This will open a blank expense form where you can enter all the required details. Begin by entering a clear description for the expense. This should briefly explain what the purchase or cost was for, so that anyone reviewing the submission can immediately understand it. Keeping the description specific and concise will make the approval process smoother. Next, select the appropriate product. This helps categorize the expense correctly and ensures it is recorded in the right way in the system. After that, enter the total amount of the expense. Be sure to input the full amount exactly as shown on the receipt or supporting document to avoid discrepancies later. If needed, select the correct currency. This is especially important if the expense was made in a different currency than your company's default. Then, set the date of the expense. Make sure this reflects the actual date the purchase was made, since accurate dates are often important for reporting and reimbursement timelines. Now choose the employee associated with the expense. This identifies who the expense belongs to and ensures the submission is assigned correctly. Under the Reimbursement section, select Employee if the employee personally paid for the expense and should be reimbursed. If the company paid for the expense directly, select None, which indicates that no employee reimbursement is needed. After that, review the account and any included taxes, if applicable. These fields may already be populated depending on your setup, but it's always a good idea to double-check them for accuracy. Correct accounting and tax information helps prevent issues later when the expense is processed. If there's any extra context that might help explain the expense, add it in the Notes field. This can be useful for approval teams, especially if the expense needs clarification. Then click Attach Receipt to upload the receipt or any other supporting document. Make sure the file is clear and easy to read, since missing or unreadable receipts can delay approval. Once everything has been filled in and reviewed, click Submit to send the expense for approval. At that point, your expense will move into the approval workflow, and you can usually track its status from the same expenses area. And that's how to create and submit an expense in the Expenses app.